Leaps. We're going to start with split leap. We've got these two lines here because we're going to pretend it's our gap. And we're going to take off one foot and land on the other foot over the gap. Let's have a go. Okay, so what you need to then imagine is that your gap's getting wider and wider and wider. And as you do it, you're going to make a really nice split shape in the air. Off you go. Very nice, and again, you'll see how she finishes. So we want to see that nice finish at the end to show our control in these leaps. Last time. Each time you practice these leaps, get that split shape higher and higher. Maybe take a photograph of yourself, see how split your legs are, and keep practicing. Try and improve each time. The next leap we're going to have a look at is a cat leap. This is where we bring one knee up at a time up to our chest with those toes pointed below us. I'd like to see those knees even higher. Can you get your knees even higher? Very good. The last leap that we're going to do is a stag leap, and we're going to come down here and we're going to show you the shape. So on the floor, we're going to have one leg bent and the other one straight. Arms out nice and wide. Have a go at this shape before you have a go at the leap. Your front knee straight and your back knee is nice and straight. Let's turn to the side so they can really see that shape. Chin up, chest up. This is exactly what we're looking for. Let's have another go at this leap. Last time. We're now going to show you these leaps in slow motion.